Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be learning how to change the color of any model's clothes with your smartphone. Oh yeah, let's begin. Alright, for this tutorial, this is the picture we are going to be using. Yeah, open photo room and remove the background of your image. You should have something like this. Tap on transparent and save to your gallery. So now you return back, tap on your image and tap on edit cutout. You should have two options of erase and restore. So erase all the unwanted parts, like the parts you don't want to change their colors, like in the image. You just erase everything. As for this image, I don't change the face and everything, so I'll just erase some parts and leave the rest. So by the time you get what you want, you save that to the gallery. Now open Pixel and import the first image that you exported from photo room. Resize and place however you want it to be in your design. Once you're done, lock your layer, minimize Pixel and open Photoshop CC. Now import the image that you exported from photo room. Pay close attention here because this is where the magic happens. So you have to tap on the first icon at the top of the screen. Then you tap on select pixels. Tap on mode at the bottom of the screen and make sure it's on minus. Then you increase your brush. Now you can wipe out unwanted parts that you don't want to change the color. So I'm wiping out the heart. The heart. So you can zoom in to ensure clean work. Tap on the second icon at the top of the screen and tap on replace color. So here you just have to input your color code. Now increase the threshold to 100%. You can decide to decrease or increase the color depending on how you want it. As for me, for this one, I'm going to leave it at 100% too. Although you can save it like this, but to make it more realistic, tap on the second icon at the top of the screen and select shadow/highlight. Now you can adjust the darks, shadows, lights and the highlights however you see fit according to how your image is. Tap on the second icon at the top of the screen and select levels. Here you can decide to reduce or increase your levels however you see fit. Once you are done, tap on anywhere on the screen to deselect pixels. Now you can select pixels again and repeat the same process for the heart. That's you have to clean the shades and everything. Just make sure only the heart is selected. It all depends on your image though. Once you are done, tap on done and tap on save. But this will not save it to the gallery. So you have to tap on the share icon at the main screen and select the image that you are trying to save. Make sure it is set to PNG and not JPEG because JPEG are usually not transparent. Once it has been saved, close the app, then you open Pixel app. Now import the colored image from your gallery and set to the same size as the original image. Now you can set the background to a transparent, or you can decide to leave it according to how you want it. So if you hide the layer, you're going to see the original, and if you unhide, you see the colored. So that's it. Now you can save to your gallery. Don't forget, always save in ultra mode. Here's the before. Here is the after.
So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you.